Hi, I'm Alison Moody. I'm the health editor of the Bulletproof blog. Now, you're probably used to drinking your Bulletproof coffee, but today I'm going to use it in a different way. I'm going to pour it over my hair and use it as a hair mask. Now, I know that might sound a little nuts, but hear me out. Now, apparently, Bulletproof coffee moisturizes your hair, making it soft and supple, and it also encourages hair growth. That's thanks to the potent combination of high-quality coffee beans, Brain Octane Oil, which is a type of MCT oil, and grass-fed ghee. My hair is typically dry and frizzy. I've never really tried an at-home hair mask, save for the mayonnaise one I did when I was 12, and that didn't quite work out. I've also tried coconut oil a few times, but my hair is always left feeling greasy even after I've shampooed it a few times. So your first step is to make your Bulletproof coffee. First, you want to brew 1 to 2 cups of coffee. 1 cup if your hair is shorter, 2 cups if it's longer. So add about 2.5 tablespoons of coffee beans to your French press. Then while it's hot, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of grass-fed ghee and 1 teaspoon to 2 tablespoons of Brain Octane Oil. I used about 2 tablespoons. Now pour it over your hair and make sure to pour slowly. Then comb the mask through your hair to evenly distribute it through your strands. You want to leave it in for at least 20 minutes. Then rinse it out and follow with your normal shampoo. I have to say, I'm impressed. My hair feels really soft and moisturized. It's still a little frizzy and it does have the faint scent of coffee, but that's not a bad thing in my book. It's definitely a messy process and it takes quite a long time, but I honestly think it's something I'll commit to doing once a week because my hair hasn't felt this soft in a long time. To find out more about making this hair mask and to try out variations, you can visit our blog at blog.bulletproof.com. Thanks so much for listening today.